What's up, guys? So in this video, I want to discuss Google advertising, YouTube advertising, and how they really operate in generating more money. So what happens is Google needs to make more money because it's the business, right? It needs to make more money. And what they like to do is they will add in what's called inventory into their advertising platform. So a lot of times when they add these new additions, they will say that they recommend that you apply these settings to your campaigns to generate more leads and whatnot. Okay. What I have found though is that a lot of these I mean probably 90%, 99% of these recommendations do not offer you more value as a marketer. They will give more of your money to Google for less or the same result. Okay. So just say, for example, you're spending $30 uh, per lead and you apply some of the recommended settings, in a lot of cases, your cost per lead will then go from 30 to 35 or 40 or 50 or even more. Okay. So you need to be very aware of what what settings you are turning on that are recommended by Google, and you need to keep this in mind. Okay, I have a number of tutorials that go through Google search advertising, that go through YouTube advertising, and I will tell you inside those tutorials, you know, don't don't click on this. Okay, untick this, untick that. All right. If there are recommendations that are helpful, I will tell you, yes, I think you should tick this box, tick this recommendation. Um, and I know this through spending hundreds and thousands, millions of dollars in YouTube and Google search advertising over the past, 7 years that I've been doing this. Okay. So just be very wary of applying Google recommendations. Now, the other thing that I would like to talk about is listening to the Google ad specialists that will reach out to you from Google. So, a lot of you who've reached out to me in the past, you've just started Google Ads and you've reached out to Google because they've sent you an email saying, hey, we can help you get started and help set you up and blah, 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 blah. Okay. You need to understand that these Google representatives, they aren't actually marketers. Okay. They're not advertisers. Okay. They're just robots who are given a script and told to tell you what to do, what settings to do, what settings to apply, so they get more money. Okay. Now, how do I know this? I know this because one of my um, employees used to be a Google representative, and that's exactly what they were told to do. Here's a script. Okay. Go through the script, get the new advertiser to apply these settings that will give us, okay, Google, the most amount of money. Okay. So if they contact you, be kind to them, be nice to them because they can be helpful. They can be helpful with getting your campaigns unpaused, or understanding, why your ads have been disapproved or that sort of thing, or sometimes even like why your ad account's been suspended. Okay. So being kind to them, be nice to them. Okay, don't be rude and a douche canoe to them. Um, but don't apply really any of the settings they tell you to do. Okay. Because again, they're there just to make more money for Google and they are not worried about you and results. And they honestly do not care about your results. Okay. So I just wanted to put this out to you guys. I've had a number of people ask me, talk to me, and ask me these questions this week. just the past few weeks actually. So I thought it might be a great content piece to put here on my channel. So, anyways, if you guys have any questions, hit them in the comment section below. I like to answer any and every question about your advertising. If you need help, email me. My email is in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video.